भारतवासी भाई बहन हमें अपना देश प्राणों से भी प्यारा है। इसकी समृद्धि और विविध संस्कृति पर हमें गर्व है। हम इसकी योग्य अधिकारी बनने का प्रार्थना सदा करते रहेंगे। हम अपने देश और देशवासियों की प्रति सर्वदा रहने की उनके कल्याण और प्रतिज्ञा करते हूँ। उनके कल्याण और समृद्धि में ही हमारा सुख रहेगा। जय हिंद।
विद्यालय विश्राम। திருக்குறள் பை ஜனனி அண்ட் தனிகா.
வணக்கம். திருக்குறள். அன்பின் வலியது வீணிலே அத்திலாக்கு எம்புதோள் போட்ட உடம்பு. நன்றி. அன்பின் வலியே அன்பு இல்லாதவனுக்கு எலும்புமே தோல் போர்த்திய உடம்பு ஆகும்.
Thought of the day by Saukanya Devi.
Good morning, children. Thought of the day. What you are thinking, you will do the same. Thank you. मेरा नाम चरण है। आप जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा ही करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you to all. Have a nice day. Vidyalaya Saudhan. Vidyalaya Vishram. Today's task.
Good morning to all. Today's task: make a veg salad. காய்கறி கலவையை செய்யுங்கள். Make a veg salad. காய்கறி கலவையை செய்யுங்கள். Thank you.
Today's current affairs.
Good morning to all. Today's current affairs. The Dr. Narayana Reddy National Literature Award has been given to the famous Tamil author of Sivasundari. Foreign direct investment has given a lot in Gujarat during the financial year of 2023 to 2024. Thank you.
Motivation speech.
Good morning to everyone. Importance of education பற்றி இப்போ சொல்ல போகிறேன். ஃப்ரெண்ட் ராமகிருஷ்ண ஜெயஸ்ரீ அப்படிங்கிற ஆத்தர்லேருந்து ஒரு ஸ்மால் ஸ்டோரி அபவுட் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் எஜுகேஷன். A person who named Rohar, he was lived in a village. He is a teacher and honest man and also modest person. One day he visited a village. There is no school at all, so he decided to form a school with his friends. At first, there is no response in the village. Afterwards, and also no willing to join a school. Parents were assist in her children's cultivation and agricultural activities. So, Rohar taught parents and motivated our children to highlighting the importance of education. And a few days later, there is a few response in village. Some of the students are joining school and few of them not disliked to going school. So her introduces some sports, games and other activities in the schools. So some of the students are joining the school and encourage that both curricular and extra curricular activities. So children grown up in her life to about the education, to know about the educations. So I wish to you all children to study well and grow up in our life. Thank you to all.
Good morning to all. Speech about JRC. The JRC established in 1992 in the hope of encouraging the younger generation by the principles and ideas of the JRC. The main motto of JRC is Donate the Blood. The abbreviation of JRC is Junior Red Cross. Thank you to all.
Good morning. About NSS. NSS is an extension dimension to the higher education system to orientate student youth to community service while they are studying in NSS institution. NSS helps the student to grow individually and also as a group to establish rapport with the people in project area. Thank you.
So, importance of Scout and Guide. It helps in building confidence and self-esteem among the students. They learn important life skills, team building, outdoor adventure, education and fun. It helps them to explore, to discover the world behind classroom and also help in all around development. Thank you.
Vidyalaya Vishram.